Okay, I'm not filming an entire video of my Ipsy Glam Bag X that I finally got because I know everybody and their mother already has, but I did just want to come on and unbox it with everyone. I think it's really cute how this looks like a little newspaper. So this is the Patrick Ta curated Ipsy Glam Bag X, and I had already started to film it, but I wanted a better setup. I wanted to be able to use both my hands. And the first product is the Mcgrath Fetish Eyes Mascara, which I have been wanting to try. I've heard really good things about it, and it retails for $30. So next is this About Face Painted Matte Lip Color. It's an Ipsy exclusive, and this is in the color, no, it's called Last Good Night. Oh, I really like that packaging. That is super cute. That is definitely a shade that is up my alley, I think. Oh, it's a little bit more mauve than nude, but I think I would try it. It's very creamy for a matte lip color. Is it? Yeah, it's a lipstick. Okay. Oh, and it fell right out the bottom. Next is this Complex Culture Sonic T-Bar Facial Massager. Oh, I don't think I mentioned, but the lipstick retails for $22. Okay, it looks like a razor, but it's a massager. I don't know how much I believe in these things. Does it need a battery? Okay, so it needs one AAA battery. But for what? Does it turn on? How do you turn it on? Are you serious? Oh, there it goes. Oh, what's that? Can we massage your face? Oh, you let me, kind of. Okay. I don't know how I feel about that, but we will see. This retails for $58. Okay. Excuse me. So, next, come on, Ari. No. I'm so excited because this is the only large Huda Beauty palette that I do not own, but now I do. This is the Rose Gold Remastered Eyeshadow Palette, and it retails for $65. I love Rose Gold. I love that packaging too. Oh! I cannot wait to play with that. Okay, so next it says you either get a blush or a brow wax. I really hope I don't get the brow wax because I just bought the Anastasia brow wax, and I'm still deciding how I feel about it. Alright, I got the Patrick Ta Monochrome Moment Velvet Blush in She's Passionate. Oh, I love the packaging, even though I know it's going to be full of fingerprints in 0.4 seconds. Oh, how gorgeous is that? I love the packaging. It comes with a mirror. I love that color. That is perfect. That retails for $32. Next, so, oh, some people got that. Not me, but alright. I guess you get one of these. So I got the Yensa Beauty Pink Lotus Peptide Renewal Eye Cream, which retails for $48. So your choices were either the Tula Skincare Rose Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. Ooh, I wish I would have got that. The Private Doctor Defined Minus Serum. I really like that as well. Or the Item Beauty One Hit Triple Action Setting Mist. Alright, so next, also, it looks like there are some options. Which one did I get? I got the R&Co Teacup Petroleum and Kombucha Detox Rinse. This is a post-wash rinse, your one-stop shop for shinier, healthier hair. It uses kombucha to remove dulling tap water minerals, peach leaf extract to prevent tangles, and vitamin-rich sunflower extract to smooth and nourish your hair from root to tip. Ooh, I really do love, like, conditioning wash shampoos, whatever they're, conditioning rinses, whatever they're called, because my hair is so dry and shampoo can dry it out even more. So I'm really excited to get this. Plus I do like this brand. $22. I don't know if I said that. Your other choices were the IGK First Class Detox Dry Shampoo, Air Professional Texture Air, what is that? Dry Styling Spray, okay. Or Saints and Sinners Hair Care, Illuminati Divine Shine Holographic Serum. Ooh, that sounds interesting. And then lastly, I got this Quiche Velvet Scrunchies in Blush Mauve, and these retail for $12. Super cute. So it was either that or a Babe Lash Essential Serum, which retails for $120. Okay. Or the actual, like, makeup bag that I got in my original Ipsy. I'm so glad they didn't send that to me. Alright, that is a freaking dope-ass box. Really, really, really excited about it. Alright guys, I'll see you later.